Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into a comparison between ClickUp and Teamwork, two popular platforms for project management in 2024. First things first, click the link in the description box to access both platforms. So let's jump right in. Let's start by looking at ClickUp. ClickUp offers a comprehensive suite of features tailored to diverse organizational needs. It stands out for its AI-powered productivity, viewing work options in different slides and customization options. You can easily integrate the tools, search files through your app or local drive, organize your work and events. Additionally, ClickUp offers a mobile app, providing users with the flexibility to manage projects on the go. In terms of pricing, ClickUp offers 4 monthly plans. First, the free plan offers 100 MB storage, unlimited tasks, and more. Second, unlimited plan for $7 is best for small teams, offers free plan features with storage, integration, and more. Third, business for $12 is best for mid-size. Teams offers everything in unlimited with Google SSO, custom exporting, and more. Last, enterprise plan for custom price is best for large teams, offers everything in business and more advanced features. On the other hand, Teamwork is known for its focus on collaboration and project planning. It offers products such as product overview, time tracking, resource management, project plan, website project, client onboarding, and more. In terms of pricing, Teamwork offers a free plan for small teams. The second, Deliver plan, is priced at $10, and the third, Grow plan for more complex clients, is priced at $20. For organizations requiring advanced control, a Scale plan with custom pricing is available. In summary, both ClickUp and Teamwork offer powerful features for project management. ClickUp shines in its feature richness and customization abilities, making it suitable for larger teams or projects with complex workflows. However, if your team values collaboration, project planning, and detailed project plans, Teamwork could be the ideal solution for your project management needs. That's all for today. Simply click the link in the description below to choose between these two platforms. Thank you for watching.